Hello everyone, welcome back to my devlog. In the last video, I revealed my upcoming game Unplugged, which was in a very basic and unrefined state. I had all the core mechanics working by then, and the next step was to polish my game to make it look more presentable. And the first thing I needed to make it more presentable was to add post-processing to the game. In the current graphical state, I could not create a trailer or make any appealing screenshots. To get started, I removed all the previous post-processing from the game and started from scratch. These were the graphics of my game with no extra filters and post-processing. The first thing I did was add Beautify to my game, which is one of my favorite assets, allowing me to fine-tune the visuals of my game. And now, after adding a new post-process volume to my game, I started by adding Ace's tone mapping to my game. This was followed by experimenting with multiple color lookup tables to find the one that I liked the best. After that, I used Beautify to fine-tune the brightness and the contrast of the game. Once I was done, the look and feels of the game were completely different. Finally, I added extra filters for vignette, bloom, and lens stirred texture. And just like that, I was satisfied with the final result and done with the post-processing of the game. Compared to the previous version, this was a huge improvement to the visuals, giving the game a more sci-fi and a cinematic feel. Apart from the post-processing, I also started working on the abilities for the characters. Although it is still in progress, I have the basics working. The way I wanted abilities to work in my game was that abilities could be switched inside the level at designated points. For this, I created the ability changing consoles in the levels, which would contain the specific abilities required for completing the upcoming level. Using these ability consoles, both the players can choose and equip one unique ability at a time. This way, they can decide who gets to do which part of the puzzle. For now, I have the basic abilities ready, which are the double jump and the light bulb for the darker areas. These were pretty straightforward to implement. For the double jump, I simply added a counter for the number of jumps available and the number of jumps made by the player. For the bulb, I added a simple spotlight on the robot's eyes, which I could turn on or off from the script. The next ability I am working on is reversing the gravity for the current player character. It is ready in a very rough form. However, there are still a lot of bugs in the ability. Hopefully, I will have all the abilities ready and bug-free by the time I release the next video. But for now, this is all the progress I have made. I will be sharing the progress soon and would definitely like to hear your thoughts on the game in the comment section below. Also, it would be really helpful if you added Unplugged to your Steam wishlist. Thank you for watching the video. See you all next time.